Okay, and welcome to a walking tour of the Kokotel Hotel Resort in Khao Lak in Thailand. So this looks like it's split into two different properties, one here and one which is down here, which I'll show you in a moment. And you have parking for this facility just over here. So there's a surf school just behind there as well. This looks like the reception area. Okay, that's a seascape side. And just over here is the lighthouse side. And I'll just walk you through the lighthouse side, walk you to where the front of the hotel is, show you the pool, show you the beach. If you like this kind of walkthrough content, please do like and subscribe. It always helps the YouTube algorithm and it lets other people who are interested in this kind of content see it pop up in their feeds on YouTube. It's quite a quick tour, this one. I've never stayed here before. I've walked past it many times. I just thought I'd give you just a quick overview of what it looks like. A nice chill out pool area, sun lounges, walk into a shaded area. Nice, quite chill in here, shaded. And then walking out to the sea. So beach access can be had just here, so you can walk straight down to the beach. And just to give you a view of the sea view rooms. Looks quite brutalistic, the design of this, to be honest. So there you go. Just a very quick review. There is a bar area, and right in front of it there is a little surf school. You can see that the actual lighthouse is just located between the two trees there, which is a point of reference. And there's no one currently staying in these rooms, so I'll just give you a quick glimpse of what they look like inside. There we go. So I'll just walk you back to the pool area where I'll conclude the walkthrough video. Just outside the restaurant here is a small row of shops, restaurants. So you don't have to go all the way to the main street to get yourself something to eat, something to drink. There's a good selection of bars on the beachfront as well. And I'll leave you with the video here. So thank you for watching.